Hello, I'm Jesse Myles with the Myles Group, and today I'm going to answer the question, what do we look for on the final walkthrough? Before closing on your home, a final walkthrough is important to ensure your soon-to-be home is move-in ready. Here's a checklist of things to do and look for during the final walkthrough. Turn all light switches on and off to ensure the lights and ceiling fans are working. Bring a phone charger with you to ensure that all electric outlets are working. You want to run all the sinks and bath faucets and check for any leaks. Test all kitchen appliances and garbage disposals. Ensure the garage door opens and closes and the remote works. Run the heater and air conditioning. Test the fireplace. Open and close all windows and doors. You want to flush all the toilets and check for leaks and problems. Run the exhaust fans in the bathrooms and kitchen. Inspect walls and floorings in the ceilings. Check exterior for damage and new cosmetic issues. Make sure all garbage and personal belongings and other items have been removed. Your real estate agent should also bring along the repair amendment to make sure all repairs were done. If you have any questions, reach me at the information below. Thank you.